In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make systems for video editing company on Asana. We'll set up a clean, repeatable structure so your editors, managers, and clients always know what's happening and what's next. Start by creating your main teams in the sidebar using Create Team. Make 5. Operations for internal processes, SOPs and onboarding, video production for all editing tasks, thumbnails and revisions, client management where each client's work lives, content strategy for ideas, scripts, SEO, and calendars, and admin plus finance for invoices, payroll, and contracts. This simple foundation keeps everything organized as you grow. Inside the video production team, create your core project, a Kanban board called Video Editing Pipeline. Add columns for incoming videos, scripting, and notes, raw footage ready, editing, in progress, color, sound, enhancements, QC, review, revisions, thumbnails, client approval, upload, and delivery, and completed. This pipeline mirrors the full life cycle from intake to delivery. Next, build a reusable task template. Open, customize, and choose Add Template, then name it Video Edit. Standard. Use a clear task title format like Client, Video Title, Date. Add custom fields for video type, status, editor, due date, priority, and platform. Preload subtasks that editors can check off. Review raw footage, assemble rough cut, add transitions and effects, add subtitles, add music and sound effects, color correction, export draft, QC review, apply client revisions, final export, upload to platform, and archive files. In the description or attachments area, include placeholders for the script, raw footage links, an assets pack, a brand kit, and reference video so nothing is missing. Create a project per client inside the client management team. Use clear names such as client, YouTube channel, or client, agency edits. Add sections for monthly videos, deliverables, approvals, pending files, and completed videos. Include a billing category field with included, extra, and rush to track scope and pricing at a glance. Automate the routine and customize open rules and add these when a task moves to editing. In progress, assign it to an editor and set a deadline 2 days out. When all subtasks are completed, move it to QC. Review revisions. When the status changes to client approved, move it to the delivery column. If a task becomes overdue, notify a supervisor, and when an attachment is added, move it from incoming to raw footage ready. For planning, create Content Calendar 2025 in the Content Strategy team and switch to Calendar View. Add items like upload YouTube video number 12, TikTok batch recording, or 30 shorts for week 1. Link work using dependencies from editing to QC to client approval to upload, so dates update intelligently. In operations, build an SOPs and training manuals project. Add pages for how to edit YouTube videos, how to handle client revisions, how to export 4K videos, a QC checklist, naming conventions, and how to upload to YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. This makes onboarding fast and consistent. Use a clear file organization system in Google Drive or Dropbox, mirroring your Asana structure so editors always find assets and archived files quickly. Define roles inside Asana. Editors handle editing tasks. A QC reviewer checks quality before anything is sent. A client manager communicates with clients, an uploader delivers files, and an admin handles invoices and payroll. Assign tasks to roles, not just people, so handoffs are smooth when someone is out. Finally, create a high-level view with portfolios. Add the video editing pipeline, client projects, and content calendar. This gives you live visibility into deadlines, project health, editor workload, and completion rates without digging through individual tasks. Follow this setup and you'll have a scalable Asana system that keeps production moving, clients informed, and your team aligned from idea to delivery.